In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a PayPal payment button to your GoDaddy website, step by step, so you can start accepting payments, donations, or orders quickly and easily. This is a great setup if you want to sell a product, collect payments for a service, or simply give your visitors a fast and secure checkout option right through your website. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more website and business tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your GoDaddy account and open your website builder. Once you're inside the builder, go to the specific page where you want the PayPal button to appear. This could be your home page, a sales page, a contact page, or even a dedicated donation page. Scroll through the page and find the exact spot where you want the payment button to be placed. Choosing the right location is important because it helps visitors see the button quickly and makes the page feel more organized. Now hover over that area on the page and you should see the Add section button, usually shown as a plus sign. Click that plus button to add a new section to your page. This is where you'll insert the PayPal payment feature. After clicking Add section, look at the panel on the right-hand side. You'll see different section categories available inside GoDaddy's website builder. Click on the Commerce category, or if you see a search bar, you can use that to find the right option faster. In the Commerce section, select PayPal button. This is the feature that lets you connect a PayPal payment option directly to your website. Once you select it, GoDaddy will show you different layout styles. Pick the layout that best fits your page design and your branding, then click Add to place it on the page. Once the PayPal section is added, click on it to open the settings panel on the right. This is where you'll configure everything so the button works properly and displays the right information to your visitors. Start by entering the section title, item name, price and description. Make sure these details are clear and accurate because this is what your customer will see before making a payment. If you're selling a product, use the product name. If you're collecting donations, use a simple and clear title that explains exactly what the payment is for. Next, scroll down to the PayPal settings section. Here, you need to enter the email address connected to your active PayPal account. This is very important because this is where the money will be sent when someone clicks your button and completes a purchase or payment. Double check that the email address is correct and matches the PayPal account you want to use. After that, choose your button label. GoDaddy may give you options like Buy Now, Donate, or other payment style button text depending on the setup. Select the one that best matches your goal. If you're selling a product, Buy Now usually works well. If you're collecting support or contributions, Donate may be the better option. Then set your preferred currency so your customers know exactly what they're paying in. Take a moment to review everything. Before saving, make sure the section title looks right, the item name is correct, the price is accurate, and your PayPal email has been entered properly. A quick review now can help you avoid payment issues later. Once everything looks good, save your changes and publish your website so the PayPal button goes live. And that's it. You've now added a PayPal payment button to your GoDaddy website. Your visitors can now pay you directly through your site, which makes the whole process faster and more professional. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.